Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of mine. I know it's been a long time. Here I am basically sharing my experience in shopping from IKEA, what worked and what not. A few things I bought out of real curiosity while some afterthoughts. Some made me feel glad I bought it while some made me question myself. This is my first time experience. I haven't been to shop in person. We got our products through a friend of us who was traveling from Hyderabad to Mysore. We surfed through IKEA website and sent her photos of what we want and that's how we got it. Also, there is an happy news to Bangalore residents. IKEA has opened its deliveries to Bangalore too. I personally checked it in its website. I'm super happy too because my hometown is near Bangalore too. There is so much craze around this particular store which has capacity to literally empty your pockets completely. Not because of higher prices but because of quality and affordable price it offers to its customers. At first, I did not know what the white thing was. Later, figured out that it is what makes the jar airtight. I bought two of these airtight cookie jars, which I was eyeing for a long time. Clearly, I could not contain my excitement until I film it. So, started using one jar right away, and I so love it. The same jar, when served through Amazon, it's available for price anywhere between 500 to 650 rupees for one jar, where it's 170 rupees in IKEA. So it's sold at 3 to 4 times of its price. That's one main reason why I did not want to buy it from any other website. Washing everything before use to maintain its hygiene. Also, it's very much necessary to clean it, especially during this pandemic times. IKEA has really good collection of ceramics. So I also bought 4 of these coffee cups which look so beautiful. I think the color and glossy finish is what makes it stylishly beautiful. Also Karthik is eyeing on the black one to take it to office once it reopens. Bought some basic stuffs too, like this multi-purpose spray bottle to water plants to clean cabinets and mirror. The color and sleek look of it is uniquely made. Also bought this wiper which is very much functional at our home. It also has a hole to hang it, so storage is sorted. After cleaning with this, 1 or 2 wipes with kitchen towel makes the cabinet neat and shiny looking. There are few eye-catchy things which we buy out of curiosity, right? This is one such thing. Because I use it barely once or twice a month to refill oils, which I think could be done without this too. Though it looks classy and has a hole to hang, which is a good thing, it mostly lies around without much of a use, or Ishan uses to play along with this other toys. Next comes the spice jar. Who doesn't want their kitchen to be decked up with similar looking containers? So I bought this one and if I like it, I thought of buying more. Definitely it looks classy, but the caps are made of very thin plastic which will not for sure last longer. Also it easily gets scratches on lids and the paint comes off. Just while refilling, I realized that one thing which we all should take responsibility about. While transferring the contents from packets, do not tear or snip off the end part. It becomes difficult to recycle. When you unintentionally snip it off, do not worry. Just put the small piece into the big one and trash it so that it's easy to collect. I enjoy organizing so much, which slowly and eventually brought labels into my kitchen. My mom, when she last visited, literally laughed at me for labeling salt and sugar in spite of keeping it in transparent containers. But that did not stop me from labeling. This looks cool and functional, and the labels made identifying powders easy too. Now I'll have to think about repurchasing this one. Will I repurchase it? Maybe yes. I think 100 rupees for 4 jars is quite affordable and reasonable. Though the caps are plastic, when coming down to each jar, it is 25 rupees only. No website offers at such cheap price. Do you guys agree with me? Okay, let me arrange these with my other everyday masala items. Just the labeling made so much difference in my kitchen and became easily accessible since the names are easily visible. There might be hundreds of flaws, not enough space on countertop, not enough tools, but our kitchen is special to each one of us, right? I abide by this. Each kitchen holds hundreds of everyday deals, each one being special in their own way. I also bought cutlery tray, ceiling clips, some plastic spoons for Ishan, and a jewelry stand. Must admit that the tray is really good for the price I paid. I don't see any difference between regular clips and this one, except for the name IKEA is etched on the clips. I really like the color palette for this one, and the price is reasonable too. Price of these plastic spoons is what caught our attention. It is just 19 rupees for 4 spoons. So we immediately bought 2 of it. And the plastic spoons are very much sturdy, and I can guarantee it will not break at any circumstance. Finally, this jewelry stand is something I was eagerly looking forward because I got it for 49 rupees on offer. I did like it, but it's very big than I imagined. Now I really don't know where to display it. I'll have to figure it out in some time, as it should not be accessible by my little one.
Ikan mala. Ikan mala. Ikan mala. Ikan asin. Ikan asin. Ikan asin.